Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am your educator Arpita Sharma. As you can see on the screen, the Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2021 dates have been announced by UPSC. Now the Civil Services Preliminary Exam 2021 is going to be conducted on 27th of June 2021. As you can see, it's a one-day exam that is going to be conducted on 27th June 2021. Usually the exam is conducted on 1st or 3rd or 2nd June, but now they have extended the number of days. It's going to be conducted on 27th June. So approximately 26 days in June also you are getting. So you can say that you are now getting 8 months time to prepare for prelims. To be prelims ready. आपके पास approximately 8 months का time है अपने आप को prelims ready करने का. And as you can see down below, Civil Services Mains Exam 2021 is going to be conducted on 17th September 2021 and it will start from 17th September and it's a 5-day exam, right? So 17 September से Civil Services Mains 2021 भी start हो रहा है जो कि 5 दिन का exam होता है. Right, as you know that the main exam is planned to be conducted from September 17 and there are 9 papers in mains exam. Mains के exam में 9 papers होते हैं आपके, right? And it will take 5 days to complete the main exam. So the expected dates in the mains exam will be, first will be 17, then it will be conducted on 18, 19, 25 and 26 September 2021, and in one day 2 papers are conducted. Clear? So 17, 18, 19, 25, 26 will be the expected dates for the civil mains exam 2021. Now the question comes, when will UPSC start inviting applications for IAS exam 2021? तो applications आपकी 10th Feb 2021 से start हो जाएंगी, right? The application date is, the application window will open up from 10th Feb 2021. The notification for UPSC Civil Service exam is expected to be out by February 10. Once the notification is out, aspirants can apply for IAS or IPS exam 2021. The date of the exam is 27th June and date of mains is September 17th. Last date to fill your application form will be 2nd March 2021. 10 फेब 2021 से एप्लीकेशन भरनी स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी, नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगी और 2nd मार्च 2021 लास्ट डेट होगी जब तक आपको आपकी एप्लीकेशन सबमिट करनी होगी, right? And the procedure is online. For women candidates, the entrance fee is free of cost. The women candidates do not have to pay anything. जितनी भी female candidates हैं उन्हें कुछ पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है, उनके लिए जो फॉर्म होता है वो absolutely free होता है, ठीक है? So from now on you have to start your prelims and mains preparation, integrated preparation. You have full 8 months, आपके पास पूरे 8 महीने हैं. And as you know that the Indian Forest Service and prelims, your prelims is merged. आपका Indian Forest Service exam भी इसमें civil services में merged हो गया है. So you have to focus on environment and ecology also. आपको यहाँ पर environment और ecology पे बहुत ज़्यादा focus करना होगा because in prelims 2020 there were 90% questions asked from agriculture, farming activities, environment and ecology, right? So that is why you have to focus more on environment ecology also, right? आपको environment को भूलना नहीं है, उस पे focus करना है, ठीक है? Now I am going to give you a rough overview how to prepare for how to do the integrated preparation, how to be prelims ready. Now I am going to give you a rough overview on how to be prelims ready. First of all, looking at the current affairs, they are very diverse in nature when it comes to prelims. In mains, the current affairs are directly asked, but in prelims, the current affairs are twisted and then they are framed as questions in prelims question paper. So for current affairs, always remember that the last 1.5 years current affairs are a must. For that, the sources are, you can either read the Hindu newspaper or the Indian Express. Both the newspapers are wonderful, but you have to pick any one newspaper. आपको कोई भी एक newspaper उठाना है, दोनों newspapers नहीं पढ़ोगे साथ साथ, ठीक है? Do not read both the newspapers, read any one. You can also watch by the Hindu newspaper, Indian Express newspaper analysis videos. But do not think that only after watching the videos you will be equipped with all the knowledge. No, you have to read the newspaper yourself first. The videos and everything else is just for supplementary information that you are getting. Okay? तो न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग खुद से करनी है, आलस जहां करोगे वहीं मात खा जाओगे. तो अगर प्रीलिम्स निकालना है ना तो प्लीज किसी वीडियो किसी क्लास पर इंटायरली डिपेंडेंट मत रहना, गलती मत करना ऐसी इतनी बड़ी, ठीक है। एक पहला अटेम्प्ट या जो भी आपका अटेम्प्ट है वो आपका लास्ट अटेम्प्ट होना चाहिए, ठीक है। सेकंड, पीआईबी। नाउ पीआईबी इज अ मस्ट। लुकिंग एट प्रीलिम्स 2020 क्वेश्चन पेपर, 70% ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस वर फ्रॉम पीआईबी, राइट। 70% क्वेश्चंस इस बार के प्रीलिम्स 2020 में जो आए थे वो पीआईबी से उठाए गए थे। सो पीआईबी दे हैव गिवन इन मच वेटेज टू पीआईबी नाउ। अब इन्होंने पैटर्न चेंज किया है 2020 से, तो इन्होंने पीआईबी को वेटेज ज्यादा देना शुरू कर दिया है। More weightage was given to PIB. So you have to read the PIB daily, and you can also watch my PIB analysis videos also in a very comprehensive manner. I have covered everything in the PIB in that video. भले ही आप PIB के लिए आप वीडियोस पे डिपेंड हो सकते हो, बट न्यूज़पेपर के लिए वीडियोस पे डिपेंड मत होना, ठीक है। नाउ ऑल्सो फॉर योर बैकलॉग्स, जितने भी आपके बैकलॉग्स हैं, टू कवर देम यू कैन फॉर फ्री यू कैन डाउनलोड एनी current affair magazine online from any reputed coaching center, and you can study that. For example, Insights, Vision IAS, Unacademy Articulate, Byju's, जिनकी भी free PDFs मिलते हैं, right? Insights, Unacademy Articulate, Vision IAS, there are free PDFs which are available online. Just download them and go through them to cover your backlogs. जितने भी आपके पहले के current affairs रह गए हैं उन्हें आप cover कर सकते हो इन PDF से, ठीक है, जो कि आपको अलग अलग वेबसाइट्स पे, Insights के, Byju's के, Unacademy Articulate की वेबसाइट पे आपको मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। समझ आ गई बात। नाउ आगे बढ़ते हैं, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स। नाउ दिस इज अ मस्ट, लास्ट 6 years previous year question papers. Now the students, they ask me, ma'am, please refer to us a publication which are covering the previous year question papers. Don't do this mistake. Only the non-dedicated students go after the publications. अगर आपको कोई किताब लाकर दे दूं मैं जिसके अंदर क्वेश्चंस भी हैं, सोल्यूशन भी है, आप खुद से कुछ मेहनत नहीं करने वाले हो, आप बस रटा रटाए ज्ञान आपको मिल जाएगा, उसे रट लोगे चले जाओगे। ये वही बच्चे हैं जो कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल का एग्जाम समझते हैं यूपीएससी को। What you have to do is a little bit of hard work. You have to download the last 6 years prelims, previous year prelims के question papers, also mains के question paper. But I'm here right now focusing on prelims, and try to solve them yourself in the first sitting, and then search for the answers. Because when you are searching for the answers, your mind starts working. But in a book, when the answers are presented to you, then you do the rectification, then you do the cramming. That is not going to help you at all. ठीक है, तो जब आपको बुक में मैं सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स डालकर परोस के दे दूं, आप क्या करोगे, रट्टाफिकेशन करोगे, अपने आप को समझाओगे ये नहीं तो मैं तो लर्न कर रहा हूं, मैं रट्टाफिकेशन नहीं कर रहा, बट आपका माइंड रट रहा होगा। बजाय इसके अगर आप खुद से सर्च करके प्रीलिम्स के आपके प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करो तो उससे आपका नॉलेज बेस इनहैंस होगा। सर्चिंग में काफी नई इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर हो जाती है, राइट, जो आपके आने वाले अटेम्प्ट के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होती है। सो ट्राई टू डाउनलोड द क्वेश्चन पेपर्स, ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट फर्स्ट इन द फर्स्ट सिटिंग, एंड देन ट्राई टू सर्च फॉर द आंसर्स, ठीक है। ट्राई टू इंटरलिंक इट, ट्राई टू लिंक इट विद द करंट अफेयर्स, व्हाई दिस क्वेश्चन हैज बीन फ्रेम्ड, हाउ दिस कैन बी द आंसर, फ्रॉम विच सोर्स दे हैव फ्रेम्ड दिस क्वेश्चन, कहां पर आया था ये न्यूज़पेपर में आया था कि पीआईबी में आया था, ठीक है। तो इस तरीके से सोर्स पता चलेगा आपको एग्जामिनर का, फ्रॉम वेयर द एग्जामिनर इज टेकिंग क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम, यू विल आइडेंटिफाई इट फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स इफ you solve it yourself. But if you purchase a book carrying the questions and the solutions, then trust me, prelims is very hard to crack. ठीक है, impossible हो जाएगा अगर आप rectification करोगे. So try to make sure that your input is there in your preparation. अगर आपका input नहीं है, सब कुछ बाहर से ही मिल रहा है, तो क्या फायदा ऐसी preparation का, ठीक है। तो इसलिए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स लास्ट 6 years प्लीज डाउनलोड इट एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट योरसेल्फ, ठीक है। नाउ ट्राई टू गिव एटलीस्ट 5 मॉक्स इन अ वीक, 5 मॉक्स तो देने ही है हफ्ते में। Wake up at 6 AM, sleep at 10 to 11 PM. This should be, your biological clock should be set, and study in shifts. Make sure that you are studying from 9 to 11 AM and 2 to 4 PM because this is the time slot when the actual prelims is conducted. So your body should be ready for that. Okay. These pointers are very important. ये छोटी छोटी बातें आपको आगे जाकर हेल्प करेंगी. These small points will help you in the future when you are actually giving your attempt. Okay. Now next step is make monthly targets and break them into weekly targets, further break them into daily targets, and further break them into hourly targets. So for example, you have set a target that within this 1 month I am going to finish history, and in history I am going to finish the art and culture portion, and modern Indian history, right? Or let's say you are going to finish ancient Indian history, ancient and medieval. Or let's say you are just going to focus on ancient Indian history plus medieval and art and culture. This is your monthly target for history. I'm talking about one subject right now. Now make weekly targets. Within this week, I'm going to cover this portion of ancient and medieval. Within this week, I'm going to cover this portion of art and culture. Then daily targets. So before you go to bed, set the target for the next day. That is, tomorrow I'm going to study about temple architecture, paintings and dance forms, right? And then in a day, break your daily target into hourly targets. From 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. I'm going to study this. From 4:30 to 5:30 I'm going to study this, right? Likewise, you have to make your hourly targets. Be a strategist in advance. Do not just wait to become an IAS officer. Be an administrator in advance while you are making your timetables and implementing them. Be a very wonderful planner. Only then you can crack anything in life, right? So be a strategist, be a planner, be an administrator in advance. Start with NCERTs and try to finish them in 1.5 months, not more than that. Because if you are taking more than that, the time, if you are taking it for more than 1.5 months, then you are actually wasting your time. So try to finish them in 1 or 1.5 months. And for geography and history, class 9 to 12th NCERT you have to study. From class 9th you have to start studying for geography and history. But for economics, pol science and science, class 11, 12th NCERT you have to study. And basically in science, in the bio, NCERT and chemistry NCERT, you have to study the last 4 chapters only, which are related to environment and scientific developments and technological developments. And also this NCERT, science NCERT, supplement it with the newspaper reading. Newspaper reading के साथ आपको इसको supplement करना ही करना है, ठीक है? So please note it down. This is very important fact which you will not get anywhere else. और time waste नहीं करना और सारी इधर उधर की videos देखकर. Start from right now, from where you are. Do not just waste an entire week in watching different videos. Okay. Also remember that you have to simultaneously do the map practice. So you can take out at least 30 minutes in a day or 40 minutes in a day for map practice. You have to remember all the oceans location of seas, continents, the active passive volcanoes, the cyclones, rivers, mountain peaks, straits, deserts, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries, etc. You have to practice it daily, 30 to 40 minutes daily. And I'm talking about daily practice, right? Because if you are daily going to the gym, then only your body will take the appropriate shape that you want, that you dream of. But if you are lacking in your gym practice, then your body might not respond very well. So similarly, you have to practice the maps daily and you have to revise them daily. Do not just practice them and keep them aside. Revise them as well. इनको revise भी करना है आपको, चाहे कुछ हो जाए, ठीक है? For the static books, I have given you the link in the description box. The video has been separately made for the static books. So in the description box, you will find the link to the static books video also. ठीक है, कौन सी स्टैटिक बुक्स आपको पढ़नी है उसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है. Coming to your optional, you have to start your optional now only. अभी ही start करना पड़ेगा. Yes, you heard it right. From today onwards, start your optional preparation because within 4 months you have to, anyhow you have to complete your optional. 4 महीने के अंदर अंदर आपको आपका optional complete करना ही पड़ेगा. Because if these 4 months if you waste them, then there is no chance that you are going to cover it in your mains, right? Because optional, it can save you, it can break you. Optional के marks matter करते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. Marks of optional, they matter a lot. They can make a big difference. They can create a big difference in your final score. That is why I am saying that you have to focus on your optional. अभी choose कर लो. It's not hard to choose an optional, यार. It's not hard. The subject in which you have interest, the subject which you feel the most lightest of all, pick that subject as your optional. It might not be the subject that you picked up in your graduation time. ऐसा नहीं है कि हिस्ट्री में ग्रेजुएशन किया है तो हिस्ट्री ही पढ़ना है, नहीं, जिसमें इंटरेस्ट है यार उसको पढ़ो, ठीक है? डू नॉट गो आफ्टर दी हाईएस्ट स्कोर which the topper has scored in an optional subject. Do not go after all that rubbish कि भैया इस सब्जेक्ट के अंदर, इस ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट के अंदर ज्यादा स्कोर्स आते हैं, इसमें ज्यादा बच्चे पास होते हैं. ये सारी स्टूपिडिटी है. वो बच्चे भी ऑप्शनल इसलिए पिकअप करते हैं क्योंकि उनमें उनका इंटरेस्ट होता है उस सब्जेक्ट में. इफ यू आर नॉट एट ऑल इंटरेस्टेड इन योर ऑप्शनल एंड यू आर जस्ट क्रैमिंग इट जस्ट बिकॉज अ टॉपर cleared his or her attempt using that optional, then you are wasting your time, because based on your optional questions will be asked in interview. अगर इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है तो इंटरव्यू में नहीं पहुंच पाओगे या इंटरव्यू को क्रैक नहीं कर पाओगे. सो इफ यू वांट टू क्रैक योर इंटरव्यू, मेक श्योर दैट इन द ऑप्शनल दैट यू हैव पिक्ड अप यू हैव 100% इंटरेस्ट. आपका इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए उस ऑप्शनल में. समझे बात? ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द sources. Sources means the help which you can get in your preparation. For example, if you are studying something and you are stuck in a particular topic, in a particular subject, then from where, without taking any offline coaching, there from where you will get the help for free. For that, a special class carnival is starting on Unacademy Plus from tomorrow. कल एक special class carnival शुरू हो रहा है wherein you will get 100 plus free live classes and it is starting from 8 AM in the morning. Right? सुबह 8 बजे से ये special class carnival शुरू हो रहा है wherein 100 plus free classes will be given to all the aspirants. What are the highlights of special classes? You can save them. You can watch them non-stop from India's top educators. You can get your doubts solved. You will be getting the strategy to prepare for prelims, mains and optionals. आपको अलग से prelims, mains और optional के लिए prepare करने की कल strategy भी मिलेगी with book list and resources. Absolutely free. Absolutely free hai. You can choose the class as per your language preference. If you are Hindi medium student, you can sit in the Hindi medium class. English medium student, you can sit in the English medium class. And जो स्पेशल क्लासेस होने वाली हैं वो स्ट्रैटेजी बेस्ड भी होने वाली है, राइट. फॉर एग्जांपल, आशना सिसोदिया मैम इज आल्सो टेकिंग स्ट्रैटेजी बेस्ड क्लास इन बाइलिंगुअल लैंग्वेज एट 9 AM in the morning tomorrow. And Mohammad Rizwan sir is taking strategy related course at 10 AM in the morning in English. Right? Then special class on geography and environment is also being conducted in Hindi, English, bilingual, whichever language you are comfortable in, you can sit in that class. अब जिस language में comfortable हो उस class में बैठ सकते हो. As you can see, these are the special classes on different subject. Special class on economics is being taken in English, Hindi and bilingual language. Special class on histories, top educators are taking in Hindi, English and bilingual. And see, the timings are also given. यहाँ timings भी दिए गए हैं. Special class on GS MCQs, prelims based MCQs पे भी classes हो रही हैं. Special class on GS MCQs. Then on current affairs, top educator Vani Mehra ma'am and Deepika Reddy Magam ma'am and Ashna Sisodia ma'am, they are taking classes on PIB. Then they are taking classes on international agreements, current affairs, right? On optionals also special classes are being taken, right? On ethics answer writing also special classes are being taken. So you can see that Unacademy Plus is conducted 100 plus free live classes. Tomorrow strategy based class also will be there and topic based class will be present, right? And you will get the free resources and notes also. It is starting from 8 AM. I have given the link in the description box to enroll in this free class. इस free class में enroll कैसे करना है ये मैंने इसका link दिया हुआ है description box में. So try to attend these classes and try to clear out things, how to prepare for prelims, what resource to study, how to manage the topics, how to understand the topic, how to create notes, everything they will clear it all in these free live classes. सब कुछ क्लियर करेंगे इन फ्री लाइव क्लासेस में. और देखो ये फ्री है क्लासेस, आपको कोई भी सब्सक्रिप्शन लेने की बात कह ही नहीं रहा यहाँ पर, राइट. अटेंड दी स्पेशल क्लास कार्निवल्स विच आर एवरी मंथ कंडक्टेड बाय अनअकैडमी प्लस. हर महीने ये फ्री क्लासेस का जो कार्निवल है ना, ये अनअकैडमी प्लस कंडक्ट कराता ही कराता है, राइट. सो आई हैव गिवन द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू enroll in these classes tomorrow 24th October from the morning 8 AM. So I hope everything is clear now. On that note, I am wrapping up the session and plus I am here for all of you. मैं तो हुई, कोई भी डाउट आता है कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछो. If you have any doubt, ask me without any hesitation in the comment section. I'll help you out. मैं आपकी हेल्प करूंगी, उस डाउट को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करूंगी, ठीक है. So on that note, we are wrapping up the session. Thank you everyone for participating in the class.